Hey, what's up, guys? So we have the Ducati V4S in the background here, and I have exciting news. After 6 months of waiting, I finally received the Austin Racing exhaust system. This is the GP3 DE-CAT system, so this isn't a full exhaust system. It's just to eliminate the cats. It's full titanium construction. Austin Racing is claiming that this would save about 10 pounds, which on a Ducati V4S, the lighter we can make it, the better we can make it, and faster, hopefully. And yeah, I mean, we've been waiting, like I said, 6 months. Finally got here, ordered these exhausts on April, and now it's October, and I finally received the exhaust. And I'm excited to open this, do an unboxing. I haven't seen a video on YouTube where we have an unboxing of the Austin Racing exhaust system for the Ducati V4S. So I'm gonna do that for you guys so you guys can see what the exhaust looks like, the welding, and all the other stuff that comes included with the package. First things first, I'm gonna put on some gloves here. Obviously, we don't wanna leave any fingerprints on the titanium exhaust, because once we go ahead and install the exhaust, we can potentially leave some fingerprint on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this. I'm actually really excited. It's my first time ever opening this, and let's see how the exhaust is. We got our blade here. Let's open this up. Sorry if you see my dog in the background. He's curious to see what we got today. Alright, so as you can see, opening this is definitely heavily packaged and protected in here. Ooh, wow. Okay. Wow. That's super light. Look at that. Wow. Super light. All right, let's open this. Wow. Wow, this looks like this is the right side. Wow. Look at the welding. Wow. So I went with the black canister. I think the more black we continue to add to the bike, the better it's gonna look. As you can see there. Wow, man, it's gonna look very nice. Wow. Super light. I mean, if I could balance it, I can pretty much pick it up with just 2 fingers. It's crazy how light this is. Wow. Kind of good idea. Pristine condition. Wow. This is what took 6 months to make. Obviously due to all the ongoing COVID related items going on in this world, everything is taking longer than expected. So it's expected that this took longer than what they claim it would, which I'm okay waiting for. I would rather wait for a long time and get what I want opposed to getting something I don't want. I looked at the different exhaust options for the Ducati V4, and I just couldn't really find another exhaust that really fit the lines of the bike or the theme I was going for. So it led me to get in the Austin Racing and just waiting the 6 months to actually receive it. But man, I think so far, so good. I can't wait to install this. Wow. put that to the side there. All right, got more packaging, more stuff. Wow. Okay. Seems like hardware. Open that in a second. Let's make sure we don't miss anything. Wow. It's just super light. It's just amazing. Okay, this is definitely the left side. Let's see, how do I open this? Wow. Wow. So this is the left side of the exhaust. Alright guys, so here's like I said, the left side. Wow. So it's obviously gonna go this way on the opposite end of the bike. Man, I am truly impressed with the welding at Austin Racing. It's a true work of art. Hopefully that's focusing on the camera there. Wow. Just look at that. Just beautiful. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Let's see, what else did we get? Where are my scissors? It seems as this looks like a cover or a shield. Let's see what this is. Oh yeah, there's two. So I think what I'm gonna do with this, I'm actually gonna paint this black. I want everything to be black, so I'm just gonna get some engine paint, you know, at your local Advance or Pep Boys or wherever you can find it. Just gonna paint this over and paint this black, just so we have a nice, clean, black finish on everything. See what else did we get? Oh. Okay. Perfect. It looks like they sent us 2 extra stickers. Sent us all the springs necessary, all the hardware necessary for the exhaust installation manual. Oh, they actually did send a servo eliminator. I won't be using the servo eliminator. I'm gonna be tuning the bike by Brand Tuning. So the second you just, the second we start disconnecting everything, with the Brand Tuning tune, we can automatically delete the check engine light that pops up once you remove the cat, and therefore this servo eliminator won't be necessary. So I won't be using that. Guess we have an extra clip. Obviously, let me open the menu for you guys. See what we have. Zip ties. Alright, let's see. So like I said, it's a GP3 exhaust system, full titanium. And you can also find these directions on online to Austin Racing, has it on their website as well. You know, I don't think I'll be using this. I think I'm pretty familiar as to how to install an exhaust on the V4. I've taken off my fairings multiple times, so I'm extremely familiar with the process. Yep, I mean, you guys can see there, it's pretty straightforward. Doesn't look too complicated, but all right, perfect. All right, guys, there you have it. This is the Austin Racing exhaust system. Once again, I mean, as you can see there, a little mock-up of how it might look. I mean, I think this thing is gonna look sweet on the bike. Let the V4 scream. Wow, beautiful. There you guys have it. This is the Austin Racing exhaust system unboxing. Wait for the next video. I will be installing this on the bike. I'll be making a video when I install it and tuning the bike. So I look forward to that. All right, thank you guys.